Ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh, ooh, yeah, ooh. They say the world is burning, falling apart at the seams, while I'm up here in Nordlard, freezing in my old puffer from the discount store. My fingers are numb, the windshield's a block of ice, radio still preaching global warming like I'm the one to blame. I turn the key again, seventh time today, just a click and the wind laughing back at me. I can't start my engine, the cold swallowed the battery hole. They keep talking global warming, but I'm turning into ice right here and now. Northern Norway, heart of the polar night, even my tears freeze before they fall. Can't start my engine, guess I'm colder than their headlights. Snow stacked higher than the roof, can't even see the road. Politicians in warm offices saving the planet on video calls. I'm sitting in this rusty Golf I bought with my last paycheck, breathing into my mittens just to keep my nose from freezing off. If this is warming, someone forgot to tell the Arctic. I can't start my engine, even hope is shivering tonight. They say the planet's on fire while I'm locked in winter's grave. Norge, endless darkness, time itself feels frozen solid. Can't start my engine, but I'm still here, still breathing. Let the northern lights splash green across the dashboard. Let the blizzard scream outside